Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn all 26 letters of the alphabet. Each letter has a sound and a word that starts with it. Let's go on this fun adventure together. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat. C is for cat, who says meow. D is for dog, who barks so loud. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for fish swimming along. G is for giraffe, height and strong. H is for hat, wear it proud. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, get on your feet. K is for kite, flying so high. L is for lion, rule like a king. M is for moon, clear and calm. N is for nest, up off the ground. O is for orange, juicy and easy. P is for pizza, yum yum yum. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. R is for rainbow, up and down. S is for sun, shining bright. T is for train, chugging in sight. U is for umbrella, keep you dry. V is for violin, play it high. W is for whale, swimming free. X is for xylophone, play with glee. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, stripy and brown.